Hello, hello. Welcome back to another Legacy CNC project video. Now we're going to be starting a new project today that is pretty amazing. It's going to be a high-end furniture piece that was showcased and voted #1 project at Vetrick's 2-day training event held here in the United States. It was designed and programmed and built completely by our very own John Hennen. We are talking about the floating side table. And it's going to require using every single workstation on Legacy CNC in order to build this project. And for good reason. It combines custom epoxy inlay, double-sided machining, precision joinery, complex 3D carving, and furniture-grade craftsmanship into a single project. But here's what's really exciting. Every operation you're about to see is completed on a single machine. No specialty equipment, no complicated setups, no sacrificing precision. Just the Maverick 4x4 doing exactly what it was designed to do. Build high-end custom furniture faster, easier, and more accurately than traditional methods. Today we're going to be starting off by producing the tabletop, so come follow me and let's jump on over to the wood shop and walk through how John built the tabletop. When you're building premium furniture, details matter. The tabletop may look simple at first glance, but it requires several machining operations that would traditionally demand multiple tools, multiple setups, and countless hours of labor. With the Maverick 4x4, we can complete every one of these operations with confidence and repeatability. The tabletop surface will receive a custom epoxy inlay, while the underside receives a sculpted furniture-grade profile and precision joinery. Because the Maverick is designed specifically for serious woodworkers, transitioning between these operations is fast and straightforward. One of the most overlooked aspects of CNC furniture production is work holding. If the material moves, accuracy disappears. That's why this tabletop is secured using Legacy's low pro clamps. The clamps apply both inward and downward pressure, locking the material securely while keeping the machining area completely accessible. This gives us the confidence to run detailed carving operations while maintaining exceptional accuracy from start to finish. For furniture makers, this means less setup time and fewer headaches. Now we're moving into one of the features that separates custom furniture from production furniture, the custom epoxy inlay. The Maverick makes it easy to take almost any artwork, logo, or design and transform it into a finished furniture component. Whether you're creating heirloom pieces, corporate commissions, custom gifts, or premium furniture details, the ability to personalize projects adds tremendous value to your work. And value is where profitable furniture businesses are built. Using an 1/8" spiral cutter followed by a 30-degree V-bit, we're creating crisp, clean pockets ready for epoxy. The result is a level of detail that's nearly impossible to achieve consistently by hand. Many CNC routers can cut parts. Far fewer can efficiently handle true furniture construction. The Maverick's precision makes double-sided machining practical and repeatable. After completing the inlay work, we flip the part over and move directly into machining the underside profile. Because our workholding system and machine accuracy are working together, alignment is straightforward and reliable. That's critical when you're building furniture instead of simply cutting shapes out of plywood. This next operation demonstrates one of the biggest advantages of the Maverick platform, complex 3D furniture shaping. The elegant underside profile on this tabletop isn't something we can purchase a cutter for. Instead, we're creating the shape directly from a digital model. The roughing tool quickly removes material, while the finishing pass produces the smooth flowing contours that give this table its premium appearance. This is where CNC technology truly shines. Designs that would take hours of template work, shaping, and sanding can now be reproduced accurately every single time. Whether you're building 1 table or 100 tables, the result stays consistent. Beautiful furniture is only as good as the joinery holding it together. The Maverick doesn't just carve decorative details. It produces precision furniture joinery. Using a 1/4" cutter, we're machining the mortises that will connect the tabletop to the rails. Every mortise is perfectly positioned, perfectly sized, and ready for assembly. That's the kind of precision furniture makers need when they want projects to go together smoothly without endless fitting and adjustments. This tabletop showcases exactly why the Maverick 4x4 has become one of the most capable furniture making CNC systems available today. Custom inlay, precision joinery, double-sided machining, 3D carving, premium furniture production. All completed on a single machine designed specifically for woodworking, and we're just getting started. That custom profile and inlay that was on the tabletop surface, man, that turned out sweet. Now, if you have any ideas of what you would add to this style of table as the inlay design, leave those thoughts and comments right down below. Now, this next part may not be for you, but we do have project plans available on Legacy's website at legacywoodworking.com/projects. And we'll leave the link in the video description below. But we also have a full calendar schedule of upcoming hands-on workshops where you can register and come to our Legacy facility. You'll learn directly from our team, build real projects, and discover how shops across the country are using the Maverick CNC to produce furniture, cabinetry, architectural millwork, and custom woodworking products faster than ever before. Whether you're looking to grow your business, increase production, or simply build better projects, the Maverick CNC was designed to help you get there. In the next video, we are going to be producing all of the side rails that give the floating effect to the tabletop. So stay tuned for that video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in that next video.